I am going to start higher order differential equations part 7. Now here solve y double dash minus 2y dash plus 2y plus x plus e power x cos x. This is the differential equation of order 2. Now first of all we have to write standard form of the given differential equation. For this first y double dash minus 2y dash plus 2y equals to x plus e power x into cos x. Y double dash actual meaning is 2 times derivation of y with respect to x minus 2 is a constant, y dash is nothing but y derivation with respect to x plus 2y as it is x plus e power x into cos x. Now we can write corresponding symbols. Here d by dx equal to derivative operator symbol is capital D. D square by dx square operator symbol is d square. So that according to this here d square y, this is only derivative operator. Beside of this variable is y minus 2 into dy plus 2y equal to x plus e power x into cos x. Here y as common, d square minus 2d plus 2 half y equals to x plus e power x into cos x. Now this is in standard form of f of d of y equals to q of x. By comparing both the forms, here y coefficient is f of d, here coefficient of y is function in d, so that f of d equals to d square minus 2d plus 2 q of x. On right hand side there is a q of x. Now here also equal value is x plus e power x into cos x. After that, actually the given question is solve. I mean we have to find out solution of given equation. Now on right hand side there is a function, so it has two solutions, complementary function and particular solution. So that the present given equation is f of d of y equal to q of x. For this there are two solutions. By combining these two solutions we will get the main solution, complete solution is given by y only. So that first we have to define complementary solution to find yc. Yc also called as complementary solution. Complementary solution. So that here first to get complementary solution consider auxiliary equation represented by f of m equal to 0. F of m equal to 0. Here f of d, f of m is similar to each other, but in place of d there is a m. So we have to write on right hand side also in place of d m. So that corresponding equation m square minus 2m plus 2 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now this is similar to ax square plus bx plus c. Bx plus c equal to 0. So that the roots given by m minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Using calculator also you can clear roots of this equation. Minus b, here minus b is 2 plus or minus root of 4b square minus 4ac. Here also 4ac, 4 into a is 8 by 2 into a is 1. So that 2 plus or minus root of minus 4 by 2, it is equals to 2 plus or minus is there. Instead of minus, here it is I square, 4 as it is by 2. Now from this 2 plus or minus I square, root of I square is I, root of 4 is 2 by 2. So that 2 as common, then remaining value is I plus or minus I, 2 to get cancelled. So that the roots are 1 plus or minus I. After that Here these two are complex numbers with the plus, with the minus. There are two roots. So here these two are complex roots. For the complex roots, the YC is nothing but complementary function. Complementary function is obtained by taking first real part. Here real part is 1. For the real part, corresponding solution is e to the power of real part into x. After that, we have to write imaginary part related corresponding solution here. Imaginary part is nothing but coefficient of I. Coefficient of I is here 1. So that cos, so C1 into cos real part, imaginary part into x plus C2 into sin imaginary part into x. Simply it is written as yc equals to e power x c1 cos x c2 sin x. This is the solution, complementary solution of given equation. But we need complete solution. To get complete solution, we need yp also. Yp is also called as particular solution. Particular solution represented by the symbol yp. Now yp formula equals to 1 by f of d into q of x. Corresponding values, 1 by f of d is, f of d we prepared already here. This is value of f of d. D square minus 2d plus 2. Q of x is x plus e power x into cos x. After that, here yp equals to 1 by d square minus 2d plus 2 x plus e power x into cos x. Okay, now here this is the operator, 1 by d form is there. So this is the operator. Now enter operator into the bracket. Operator into first term, operator into second term. 1 by d square minus 2d plus 2, first term is x, plus 1 by d square minus 2d plus 2 e power x into cos x. E power x into cos x. After that, now this is the first part of this equation is similar to type 3 model. Type 3 is actually type 3. Type 3 yp equals to 1 by f of d x to the power of k, x power k. In this case, what is the working rule? Make the denominator f of d as 1 plus or minus phi of d into x power k and write the denominator in numerator. 1 plus or minus phi of d, take it in numerator, then its power will be changed as minus 1 x power k. This is the rule or type 3 procedure. After that, the second part is the same equation. Second part is similar to type 4 model. Type 4 is yp equals to 1 by f of d. Here e power x combination, it is written as e power x into v. In this case, e power x right left of 1 by f of d. At the same time, replace d by d plus 1. Actually, standard one is e power ax into v. Now write e power x left side. At the same time, replace d by d plus a, remaining v as it is. Okay, now this is the working procedure for type 4. Using this procedure, we have to clear yp's. So that first, here it is 1 by d square minus 2d plus 2 is there. So that first to get, listen, In type 3, what is the first term? This is the function f of d. The first term is 1. Remaining part represented by function in d. Similarly, here also, this is x power k. So that why 1 we need. So that to get 1, take out a constant outside. Now out of 3 terms, which one is purely constant? 2. So take out 2 as common. Then automatically we will get 1. D square minus 2d by 2 plus 1 half x plus. The second part is similar to type 4. What is the working rule for type 4? Write the exponential function left of 1 by f of d. At the same time replace d by d plus a. Similarly here also write e power x. At the same time replace d by d plus a. Here a is 1. So that d plus 1 whole square minus 2 d plus 1 plus 2. Already e power x is outside. So the remaining part of this one is cos x. Okay. After that, now yp equals to, here there is some calculation part here, so that here the first term name can be taken as yp1, the second term name can be taken as yp2. This is equation number 1. Take out separately yp1 and find out its value as per rule. Take out second one and calculate the value as per procedure. So that first yp1. yp1 equivalent value is 1 by 2 into d square minus 2d by 2 plus 1 half x. That equal to 1 by 2. For x power k, first we make first term as 1. After that, first place number is 1, remaining part is phi of function phi of d. So here also the same denominator can be written as, the same factor can be written as 1 plus d square minus 2d by 2 half x. Now here there is a 1 plus phi of d form is there. And then what is the next step? Write the complete factor in numerator. Then its power will be changed as negative. So that 1 by 2 is a purely number. Write the complete factor in numerator. 1 plus d square minus 2d by 2 whole to the power of minus 1 into x. After that 1 by 2. After getting this, we have to expand as per infinite series. So that as per node points, you can expand this one. So this is similar to 1 plus d form. 1 plus d whole power minus 1 can be expanded as 1 minus d. 1 minus d only enough. Why? Because as per rule, here power of x is 1. So that here we have to expand this one as, here power of d is 1. This is enough. So that 1 plus, what is the sign here? 1 minus d. D place number is d square minus 2d by 2 into x. Once again, here this is similar to 1 plus d form. 1 plus d. 1 plus d whole power minus 1 can be written as 1 plus d whole power minus 1 can be written as 1 minus d plus d square minus dq plus and so on. But as per rule, power of x is 1. So we have to expand this one up to d power 1 only. Now this is enough. No need to consider these. So that 1 plus d whole power minus 1 equal to 1 minus d. Remaining x is as it is. Now you can enter x into the bracket. 1 by 2 into 1 into x is x minus d square of x minus 2d of x by 2. After that 1 by 2 x minus d square of x. D square of x is nothing but, d square is nothing but 2 times derivation with respect to x. So that d by dx, d square by dx square can be written as d by dx of x. 2 times derivation. Now here d by dx as it is outside, d by dx of x is 1, 1 derivation is 0, totally d square of x value is 0, minus 2 into d of x is nothing but d by dx of x. D by dx is 1, so d of x value is 1. Here d square of x value is 0. D of x value is 1. So that here it is equals to 1 by 2. After that 1 by 2 into x minus, now just minus 2 by 2 here, minus 1 only is there. The final answer for the yp1 value only equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1. Okay. Now next we need yp2 also. Yp2, take it outside separately and find out its value as per rule type 4 only. So that yp2 equals to e power x 1 by, here d plus 1 whole square, 2d plus 1 plus 2 into cos x, that equal to e power x. Now here this is similar to cos ax form. First we have to expand this one and then we think about the corresponding type. Now a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2d minus 2 plus 2. Remaining function is cos x. Plus 2 minus 2 plus 2d minus 2d cancel. E power x 1 by d square plus 1 cos x. Now this is similar to type 2 model. Type 2 model is 1 by f of d cos ax. This is also formula for y. In this case put d square equals to minus a square. In the present case a equals to, what is the value? 1. So d square equal to minus a square equal to minus 1 square. That equal to minus 1. I mean d square equal to what we have tried? Minus 1. If you write d square equal to minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0, denominator is 0, then 1 by 0 is infinity, not defined. In this case, there is another formula. If denominator is 0, there is another formula. Which one? If phi of d square equal to 0, then or phi of minus a square equal to 0, then 1 by d square plus a square cos ax formula, x by 2a sin ax. Denominator 0 case. Denominator is 0, but I have to think about this formula only. So that as per this here also 1 by d square plus a square. So that e power x, x by 2a, 2 into a is here 1, sin ax, a is 1 x. That equal to numerators x, e power x, sin x by 2. This is the value of yp2. Now take first equation. First equation is nothing but yp value. Yp value gives us yp1 plus yp2. Yp equal to, already yp1 we cleared just now. Here yp 1 by 2 into x plus 1 plus x e power x sin x by 2. This is the value of yp. Now solution or general solution. Y equal to yc plus yp. Yc equals to, we cleared yp also, yc also. Yc equals to here yc already we cleared here, so that e power x c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus yp, this is yp, x plus 1 by 2 plus x e power x sin x by 2. This is the solution given differential equation. Here the next given question is find particular integral of d square minus 2d plus 4 of y equals to e power x into cos x. Only they asking us particular solution. Just yp we need. So that first given equation already is in standard form. D square minus 2d plus 4 of y equals to e power x cos x is similar to f of d of y equal to q of x. By comparing both the forms, f of d equals to d square minus 2d plus 4, q of x equals to e power x into cos x. Now we need only yp, so that to find particular solution, represented by the symbol yp, so that yp formula 1 by f of d into q of x. Now correspond here yp equal to 1 by f of d q of x, that equal to 1 by f of d value d square minus 2d plus 4, q of x equal to e power x cos x. Now this is similar to type 4 model. Type 4 model is actually yp equal to type 4 model 1 by f of d e power ax into v. In this case write e power x, at the same time replace d by d plus a into v. That's it. This is the working procedure for type 4. According to this, here also write e power x left of this operator, at the same time replace d by d plus a, where a is 1, x coefficient is a, here a is 1, d plus 1 whole square minus 2d plus 1 plus 4. Already e power x is outside, remaining function is cos x. After that simplification, 1 by a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2d minus 2d minus 2 plus 4. Function is cos x. That equal to e power x. Here plus 2d minus 2d cancel. 1 by d square. Constants 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 2 is plus 3 into cos x. Now the remaining, this is again there is a operator d, so this is similar to type 2 model, 1 by f of d cos ax. This is type 2 model for yp. In this case rule is d square equal to minus a square. In the present case a is 1, minus 1 square is minus 1. Okay. Now d square equal to what is the number? Minus 1. This is also working procedure, standard procedure. After that, here also e power x 1 by minus 1 plus 3 cos x. By simplifying this e power x cos x numerators, these three are numerators, by minus 1 plus 3 is 2. This is the value of yp. Just asking us particular solution. This is the required solution of given equation, particular integral only. Okay, after that next question is here type 5. If f of d of y equal to q of x, where q of x equal to x into v, then yp is standard formula 1 by f of d q of x, where q of x equal to x into v, its result can be taken as x minus f dash of d by f of d, outside of the bracket 1 by f of d into v. We have to remind this formula also. If q of x equal to x into v type, x combination of x, product of two functions u into v, but out of two one should be x. Okay, the next one, last type, is when q of x is any function of x, yp formula 1 by f of d q of x. In this case, resolve 1 by f of d into partial fractions and operate each partial fraction on q of x. Remembering that this is the main formula. After getting the partial fractions on each and every fraction, operate on q of x. 1 by d minus a q of x can be written as, instead of 1 by d, what is the factor here? 1 by d minus a q of x equals to e power ax into integral q of x e power minus ax dx. Now this is the type if q of x is other than any function. Okay, after that here also, so that 1 by d minus a q of x, for this model the result can be taken as e power ax integral q of x e to the power of minus ax into dx. Here the given question is d square x by dt square plus 6 into dx by dt plus 9x equals to 0. Now solve this equation. On right hand side there is a 0, so it has solution only complementary function. But the problem defined in two variables x and t. Now out of two variables, x only having derivative operator, so that here x gives us solution. Once again, here we need solution of given equation. On right side there is a 0, so it has only one solution, that is complementary function. So that the complementary function is given by the variable x only. Here in the total problem there are two variables appeared. One is x, another one is t. But out of two, x only having derivative. So on x there is a derivative operator. So x gives us solution. So here first write the standard form of the given equation. D square x plus 6 into dx plus 9x equals to 0. Here x as common, d square plus 6d plus 9 of x equal to 0. And now this is similar to f of d of y, but instead of y, what is the variable here? X equal to 0. By comparing both the forms, f of d equals to d square plus 6d plus 9. Now according to the given question, just we need complementary function. Complementary function symbol is yc. To get yc, we have to choose auxiliary equation represented by f of m equal to 0. Corresponding equation m square plus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. Now roots of this equation gives us solution. So that here it is a plus b whole square form is there. A square plus 9 can be written as b square plus 2ab. So that m plus 3 whole square equal to 0. Okay, using calculator also can clear the roots, but there is only one root appeared in the calculator. But here degree of the equation is 2, so that root repeated twice. Here m plus 3 whole square is nothing but m plus 3 into m plus 3. Here m equal to minus 3 repeated twice. Now here the single root minus 3 repeated twice. For the repetition roots yc instead of y, here we have to take actually the problem defined in terms of x, no y in our equation, so actually we need xc. So that here instead of y, xc equal to c1 plus x into t, opposite another variable is t, So t into c2 e to the power of minus 3 into t. Okay, left is x, right is t. Why? Because the equation defined in terms of x and t. Defined in terms of x and t. X gives a solution in terms of t. This is called as solution of given equation. Okay, after that, next question. Here the next given question is d square x by dt square plus 3a dx by dt minus 4a square x equal to 0. Here also, in the present given equation, there are two variables. One is x, another one is t. Out of two x, on x only there is a derivative operator. So x gives us solution in terms of t. And one more thing. On right hand side there is a 0, so it has only one solution, that is complementary function xc only. So that first write the standard form of the given equation by writing standard derivative symbols. The given equation can be written as d square x 3a, this is derivative operator, can be written as dx 4a square x equal to 0. A square has common, d square plus 3ad minus 4a square of x equals to 0. Now this is similar to standard form of f of d of y, but instead of y, in this problem there is a x equal to 0. By comparing both the forms, f of d equal to d square plus 3ad minus 4a square. Now complementary function to find. Complementary function xc. To get xc auxiliary equation, we need auxiliary equation represented by f of m equal to 0. Corresponding value is m square 3am minus 4a square equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, second degree equation. It has two roots. But here a is a constant, so we have to find out roots of this equation using standard formula only. We cannot use calculator. Why? Because a is a constant involved in this one. So m equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4 into a into c by 2, that equal to minus 3a plus or minus root of 9a square minus 2 minus a plus 4 into 4 16a square by 2 minus 3a plus or minus root of 25a square by 2. Here 3a plus or minus 5a square root of 25a square. Now here there are two roots, m equal to minus 3a plus 5a by 2 minus 3a minus 5a by 2, another value of m. Here m equals to a 2a by 2, m equals to minus 8a by 2, m equal to minus 4 only, minus 4a. So that roots are a comma minus 4a, both are real and different roots. No I, so this is a real root and both are different roots. In this case yc or xc, actually xc, complementary function. Now choose two individual constants, c1 e to the power of first root into x, c2 e to the power of second root into 4a, but here another variable is t should be there. This is the solution of given differential equation. Here x defined in terms of t. Here the next given question is y double dash minus 2y dash plus 10y equals to 0, y of 0 equals to 4y dash of 0 equal to 1. Here the equation defined in terms of y with respect to x. So that first, here also there is a 0 on right hand side, it has only one solution. After that, after getting general solution, to get C1 and C2, we have to use these two conditions also. To write C1 and C2 values, they had given two more conditions. First, find out YC only. Standard form of the equation first. Y double dash 2y dash 10y equals to 0. Y double dash is nothing but 2 times the derivation of y with respect to x. Anyone you can choose. Minus 2. 1 time derivation of y with respect to x. 10. Y is as it is, no derivation operator. Now symbol for this, d square y 2dy plus 10y equal to 0. D square minus 2d plus 10 half y equal to 0. Now this is standard form of f of d of y equal to q of f of d of y equal to 0, no q of x. Now by comparing both the forms, f of d equal to d square minus 2d plus 10. To find yc, to get yc, consider auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. M square minus 2m plus 10 equal to 0. Now factors, m square 5 2's 5m plus 2m plus 10 equal to 0. M as common, here 5m plus 2. Here the common is not possible here. Here there is a negative, here positive. So factorization method is not possible. In this case, we have to use standard formula to get roots. This is in terms of m, so m gives us roots minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b is minus 2 plus or minus root of b square is 4 minus 4ac is 40 by 2a. 2 plus or minus root of minus 36 by 2. 2 plus or minus, it is written as I square 36 minus, instead of minus I square. So totally 2 plus or minus square root of I square is I, square root of 36 is 6 by 2. Now first term by LCM 1, second term by LCM is I3. Now this is m equal to, here there are two roots with plus one root with minus another root, but both are complex roots. So for complex roots, as per rule, the solution yc equal to, simply it is written as y equal to, in a real part first. This is real part 1. Corresponding solution can be taken as e to the power of real part into x. Imaginary part 3. Corresponding result can be taken as c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. This is way of writing for complex roots. Y equal to e power x c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. This is the solution. But they had given here beside of the problem conditions. Y of 0, y dash of 0. For this, to use those conditions, the same y solution y can be written as y defined in terms of which variable here? X. So the same y can be taken as y of x. Y also written as y of x power x c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. After that, we had in the given question there is a y derivative also. So we cleared y, derivative of y also we need to use given conditions. So y dash of x. Y dash of x is nothing but d by dx of y of x, u into v formula. This is also in terms of x, this one also in terms of x. So we have to use u into v. Y dash is nothing but d by dx of u into v. E power x as it is. d by dx of c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x plus uv as it is c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x d by dx of e power x. So that y dash of x equals to e power x d by dx of first term c1 cos 3x differentiation is 3 into sin 3x sin minus cos 3x differentiation is minus, after that plus sin 3x differentiation is 3 cos 3x plus 3 c2 cos 3x plus c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x as it is d by dx of e power x is e power x. So here there is a y of x and then y dash of x also. You can use given conditions. What are the given conditions here? Actually we had y of x value is e power x, y of x value is e power x c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Y dash of x equals to c1 e power x into minus 3 sin 3x minus here y dash of x equals to e power x into minus 3 c1 sin 3x plus 3 c2 cos 3x plus c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x into e power x. These are the values. Now take the given conditions. Given that y of 0 value given as here, y of 0 given as here 4, y dash of 0 value is 1, y of 0, these two are similar to each other, both are same, but in place of x what is the number here? 0. Opposite side also you should write 0 in place of x. Now e power 0 c1 cos 0 plus c2 sin 0 equal to 4. As per data y of 0 is 4. As per our calculation y of 0 is this is. E power 0 is 1, c1 cos 0 is 1. This is completely sin 0 is 0. Totally c1 value is 4. One constant clear. Coming to next condition, y dash. Here these two are similar to each other, but here in place of x what is the number? 0. Opposite side e power 0 minus 3c1 sin 0 plus 3c2 cos 0 c1 cos 0 c2 sin 0 e power 0 equals to right side what is the number? 1. Now here this is 0 completely. In this bracket only 3c2. Between sign plus c1 cos 0 is 1, sin 0 0. This is 1 equal to 1. This is the second one. Now already we cleared c1 value. Substitute here 3c2 plus 4 equal to 1. 3c2 equal to 1 minus 4 minus 3. c2 equal to minus 1. So that we cleared c1 and c2 with the help of given conditions. So that now we can write particular solution. Particular solution gives us y of x value. Already y of x we cleared. E of x c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. In place of c1, c2 we can write particular numbers. E power x, c1 is 4 cos 3x, C2 is minus 1 sin 3x. This is called as particular solution of the given equation. Next question is dqy by dx cube plus y equal to 0. Here also there is a 0 on right hand side. It has only one solution and it is defined in two variables y and x. Out of 2 y has derivative, so that y gives us solution in terms of x. So that first standard form of the given equation, d cube y plus y equal to 0. Y is common. D cube plus 1 of y equals to 0. This is similar to f of d of y equal to 0. F of d, by comparing both the forms, f of d is d cube plus 1. To find only one solution, that is yc. To get that one auxiliary equation, f of m equal to 0. So that m cube plus 1 equal to 0. This is third degree equation. It has 3 roots. So that 3 roots, and also this is similar to algebraic formula a cube plus b cube form. So that factors of this one are a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is only one way to define roots. So that here also a cube plus b cube. It is written as a cube plus b cube form. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Equate each factor to 0. M equal to minus 1. M square minus m plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is also quadratic equation. It has 2 roots. But we cannot write here factors. Factorization not possible. In this case, we have to write formula to get root. Minus b, here plus b, plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2. 1 plus or minus root of minus 3. 1 plus or minus I root 3. So that here roots are 1 by 2, first term by LCM, second term by LCM. So totally the number of roots are 3. Here m equal to minus 1, and then next root is m equal to 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Total number of roots are here 3. Now as per procedure we need yc. Here first root is purely real number. Corresponding solution can be taken as c1 into e to the power of real root minus 1 into x plus, but second and third are purely complex roots. And first we have to write real part related value. Here a real part is 1 by 2. Corresponding solution is e power 1 by 2 into x. Bracket of, there are 2 roots. We have to choose 2 constants. After c1, next constant is c2. Imaginary part related, cos of imaginary part root 3 by 2 into x plus c3 continuation constant sin imaginary part into x. Now this is the solution for yc. Here c1 e power minus x, c e to the power of x by 2, c1 cos root 3 by 2x plus c3 sin root 3 by 2x. This is a solution of given equation. Here the given equation is solved. D minus 2 whole square of y equal to whole square of y equals to 8 into e power 2x plus sin 2x plus x square of y. Already problem is in the standard form, but on right hand side there is a function in x, so it has 2 solutions yc and yt. So that first write the given equation and compare with the standard form. D minus 2 whole square of y, 8 into e to the power of 2x plus sin 2x plus x square is similar to standard form of f of d of y equal to q of x. Now by comparing both the forms, f of d equal to d minus 2 whole square, y coefficient, here coefficient of y is d minus 2 whole square, q of x 8 to the power of 2x sin 2x plus x square. Okay, first solution, complementary function, to find yc. So to get yc, as per previous procedure, auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. Here corresponding f of d, m minus 2 whole square equal to 0. Now here factor repeated twice, its actual meaning is m minus 2 into m minus 2 equal to 0. By equating each factor to 0, m equal to 2 comma 2. From first one to second one 2. Here there is a one root 2, that root would be repeated twice. So for repeated roots, yc is choose two constants combination. Two constants combination c1 plus xc2. This is called as combination of two constants. For this, e to the power of repeated root into x. yc over. Next to find yp. yp is nothing but particular integral. yp standard formula 1 by f of d into q of x. Okay, that equals to 1 by f of d, d minus 2 whole square. q of x is 8 into e to the power of 2x plus sin 2x plus x square. Now this is the operator. Enter operator into the bracket. 8 is a purely constant. Write it outside. 1 by d minus 2 whole square e power 2x. 1 by d minus 2 whole square. Second term is sin 2x plus 1 by d minus 2 whole square. Third term is x square. After that 8 into, now this is type 1 rule, this is type 2 rule, this is type 3 rule. Type 1 rule, e power ax. If q of x equal to e power x, put d equal to a only. Now here a is 2, in place of d write 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, denominator is 0, then it will be infinity. So no definition, it is not defined. In this case, we have to write as per procedure formula. Now if you write d equal to 2, the factor will be 0. In this case, you observe power of factor. Using this power, you can write corresponding solution. So that the power of factor is 2. So its corresponding solution is x square by 2 factorial. Here 2 is a power of this factor, where factor is 0 for d equal to 2 over for this e power 2x as it is. This is the function as it is. For this one, if you write d equal to 2, the denominator will be 0. In this case, we have to use power of that factor only. Using that factor, the corresponding solution can be written as x square by 2 factorial. For example, power of this factor is 3, x cube by 3 factorial. For example, its power of this factor is 4, x power 4 by 4 factorial. Suppose the power of this factor is 1, x by 1 factorial only. Likewise, we have to write solution for this one only plus second term. Here this is sin ax. Sin ax. Now if there is a trigonometric function sin ax, as per rule, we have to write d square equal to minus a square. But here there is no d square. Whole square is there, but there is no d square value. First expand this one and try to substitute d square equal to minus a square. So that to use rule, to apply the procedure, we need d square. To get d square, expand this one as per a minus b whole square formula. A square plus base square minus 2ab d sin 2x plus, here this is x power k model type 3. As per x power k procedure, make the denominator as 1 plus or minus 5 of d. 1 we need. Now here out of 2 terms no 1, so to get 1 take out 2 as common. Okay, out of 2 we need 1 term should be 1 only, so that to get 1 take out a constant outside, 2 as common, then d by 2 minus 1. What's the power of this factor is here? Whole square, x square as it is. Okay, next 1 by okay, here there is a heavy calculation part. Instead of this, here 1 by 2 square is 4. Take out minus as common, but minus 1 whole square is positive, so it is written as 1 by 2 whole square x square. So that as per procedure 1 minus 5 of d, 1 minus 5 of d whole square. Okay, after writing this, write the factor completely in numerator. It is written as 1 by 4 is a number as it is. Here 1 minus d by 2 whole square will be changed as whole power minus 2 x square. Okay, after that 1 by 4, 1 minus d by 2 whole power minus 2 x square is, this is infinite series form. 1 minus d whole power minus 2 expansion is 1 plus d plus 1 plus d 2d plus 3d square, 2d plus 3d square plus and so on. So that here power of x is 2, expand this one up to this one only, 1 by 4, 1 plus 2d, 2 into d place number is d by 2 plus 3d square, d by 2 whole square. Outside is x square. Okay, next 1 by 4, 1 into x square. Here 2 cancel, d of x square plus 3 by 2 square is 4, d square of x square. After that 1 by 4 x square, d of x square is nothing but d by dx of x square. d of x square is nothing but d by dx of x square. It is equals to 2x. So that 2x plus 3 by 4 d square of x square is there. D square is nothing but 2 times derivation of x square with respect to x. First d by dx as it is, d by dx of x square equals to d by dx of, it is equal to 2x, differentiation of this, it is equals to 2. So d square of x square value is 2. Here d of x square value is 2x. As per this, here also 2. Just ordinary simplification. yp3 equal to 1 by 4 x square plus 2x plus 3 by 2 only. Okay, after that equation 1 implies yp defined as yp1 8 into yp1 plus yp2 plus yp3. Now yp equals to 8 into yp1 we cleared already, 4x yp1 x square e power 2x by 2. yp2 is plus cos 2x by 8. yp3 is 1 by 4 x square plus 2x plus 3 by 2. Now, so yp equal to, enter 8 into the bracket, 4x square e power 2x. After that, 8 into 8 get cancelled, plus 8 by 4 is 2, x square plus 2x plus 3 by 2. Okay, this is only yp, but complete solution or general solution is given by y equal to yc plus yp. Already we cleared yc. yc is equals to, here we cleared yc, c1 plus xc2 e to the power of 2x plus yp, 4x square e power 2x plus cos 2x plus 2 into each and every term, 2x square plus 4x plus 3. This is complete solution of given equation. Here the next given question is d square y by dx square minus 4y equal to x sin hx. Solve. We need solution of this equation. On right hand side there is a function, so it has two solutions, yc and yp. The equation defined in two variables y and x. Out of 2, on y there is a derivative operator, so y gives us solution in terms of x. So that first standard form of the given equation is d square y minus 4y equals to x sin hx. Here y has common, d square minus 4 of y x sin hx. This is similar to f of d of y equals to q of x. F of d equals to d square minus 4. Q of x is x sin hx. Okay, now we required complementary function to find yc. To get yc, consider auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. Here f of m equal to 0 is nothing but m square minus 4 equal to 0. Here there is a between minus, so it is similar to a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. From these roots are minus 2 comma plus 2. Both are real and different roots. In this case, yc is, choose two individual constants, c1 e to the power of minus 2x, second constant c2 e to the power of 2x. Next, to find yp. yp standard formula is 1 by f of d into q of x. yp equal to 1 by f of d. Function in d is d square minus 4. Q of x is x into sin hx. Okay, actually sin hx. For hyperbolic function, no procedure to us to define yp value. So sin hx standard definition is e power x minus e power minus x by 2. I mean, in place of hyperbolic you can write exponential. Then there is a corresponding rule for us. So that yp equals to 1 by d square minus 4 x into sin hx also written as e power x minus 4 minus x by 2. Okay, yp equals to 1 by d square minus 4. Here x into first term e power x into second term e power minus 6 whole divided by 2. After that 1 by 2 is a number, 1 by d square minus 4 operator, function x e power x minus x e power minus 6. 1 by 2 is a number out as it is. This is the operator, enter into the bracket. 1 by d square minus 4 x e power x, 1 by d square minus 4 x e power minus 6. Yp equals to 1 by 2 into here x e power x e power minus 6. Here 1 by f of d. Here also this is yp1 minus yp2. Give the name for the first one as yp1 minus yp2. This is equation number 1. Take out yp1 separately and find out its value as per procedure. So that first yp1 corresponding value is 1 by d square minus 4 x e power x. Now this is similar to type 4 model, type 5, both are applicable. This is considered as e power ax into v or x into v, both are applicable. You can apply any one of two methods. So that first consider this one as x into v model, 1 by f of d xv. X into v, directly there is a formula, that is a fifth type. For fifth type, the 1 by f of d x into v formula can be taken as x minus f dash of d by f of d 1 by f of d into v. This is the rule for type 5 model. If type 5 is xv model. So here also x into v, x as it is, v place is e power x. So that as per this, x minus f dash of d, differentiation of this is 2d minus 0. F of d as it is, d square minus 4. 1 by d square minus 4 into e power x. That is equal to x minus 2d by d square minus 4. Here e power x, this is type 1 model, e power ax. Here e power q of x equal to e to the power of ax. In this case, rule is d equal to a. Type 1 model. So that a is 1. So 1 by 1 minus 4 is minus 3 e power x. Okay, now here minus 1 by 3 is a purely number, keep it outside. Now x minus 2d by d square minus 4 e power x. The continuation is here minus 1 by 3 x into e power x product minus 2d of e power x by d square minus 4. Okay, after that minus 1 by 3 x e power x, still there is an operator d. D is nothing but d by dx. 2 into d by dx of e power x is e power x. D of e power x is nothing but d by dx of e power x. D by dx of e power x is e power x. So that here by d square minus 4. Okay. Minus 1 by 3 x e power x. Here there is no any operator. But here in denominator there is an operator. So 2 into 1 by d square minus 4 e power x is similar to type 1 model. 1 by f of d e power x. A equal, d equal to 1 we have to write here. minus 1 by 3 x e power x minus 2 into d equals to 1. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 e power x. Just simplification. yp1 equal to minus 1 by 3 x e power x plus here 2 e power x by 3. 2 e power x by 3. This is yp1. Similarly, yp2. yp2 is 1 by d square minus 4 x into e power minus 6. Just similar to previous as it is here also. Again I will calculate the same. Just observe here. Now this is similar to x q of x equal to x into v model. For x into v model, first make the denominator f of d as 1 plus r minus phi of d. So that first here also how to take out 4 as common. Sorry. Or no, xv. What is the formula here? yp equals to x minus f dash of d by f of d 1 by f of d into v. This is rule for xv. Here also for this x into v model, so that x minus f dash of d 2d by f of d d square minus 4. After that 1 by f of d d square minus 4 x e power minus 6. V only is there. After that x minus 2d by d square minus 4. Outside of the bracket is e power ax type 1 model. D equal to minus 1. Here d is minus 5 e power minus 6. By writing d equal to minus 1 whole square is there. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So it will be minus 3. Here minus 1 by 3, remaining part x minus 2d by d square minus 4, remaining function is e power minus 6. Now enter e power minus 6 into the bracket. X e power minus 6, 2d of e power minus 6 by d square minus 4, minus 1 by 3, x e power minus 6. Differentiation of e power minus 6 is minus e power minus 6 by d square minus 4. After that minus 1 by 3 x e power minus 6 minus 2 minus plus 2 by d square minus 4 e power minus 6. Again this is type 1 model e power x d equal to minus 1. Minus 1 by 3 x e power minus 6 plus 2 e power minus 6 by d equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1 minus 3. So that yp2 value is minus 1 by 3 x e power minus 6 minus 2 e power minus 6 by 3. Now equation 1 implies yp equals to yp1 plus yp2. Now yp1 we cleared already. Minus 1 by 3 into x e power x plus 2 by 3 into e power x plus yp2 equals to minus 1 by 3 x e power minus 6 minus 2 by 3 e power minus 6. Okay, after that yp equals to minus 1 by 3 as common from both. x e power x plus 2 by 3 e power x plus minus 1 by 3 outside, x e power minus 6, 2 by 3 e power minus 6. After that, yp equals to minus 1 by 3. Here, these two are same. Take out x as common. E power x plus e power minus 6 plus 2 by 3 as common from the remaining two functions. E power x minus e power minus 6. Yp equals to minus 1 by 3 into x into e power x plus e power minus 6 is the definition of 2 cos hx plus 2 by 3. This is 2 sin hx. Yp equals to minus numerators minus 2x cos hx by 3. Here also plus minus into minus minus 2 by 9. 2 into 2, 4 also is there. 4 sin h of x. This is value of yp. Now, complete solution of given equation is yc plus yp. Yc already we cleared. Yc equals to c1 e to the power of minus 2x plus c2 e to the power of 3x minus 2x cos hx by 3 minus 4 by 9 sin hx. This is complete solution of given equation. Here equation 1 gives us yp. Yp is defined as here yp equals to 1 by 2 into yp1 plus yp2. 1 by 2 into, so 1 by 2 into, so that here also 1 by 2 into yp1 plus yp2. So 1 by 2. Then it is 2 into 2 cancel. After that here it is 2 by 9. Here the next given question is solve d square minus 1 of y equals to x sin 3x plus q of a cos x. On right hand side there is a function. It has two roots, two solutions yc and yp. Solution f of d equals to d square minus 1, q of x equals to x sin 3x plus cos x. Now first yc to find yc. To get yc, consider auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. M square minus 1 equal to 0. This is similar to a square minus b square form is there. So that it is written as a plus b into a minus b form. Now roots of given equation are 1 comma minus 1. Both are real and different. Yc equal to c1 e power x, c2 e power minus x. Yc over. To find yp. To get yp formula is 1 by f of d into q of x. 1 by f of d is d square minus 1 x sin 3x plus cos x. Okay, this is the particular integral. This is the operator. Here there are two terms between with the plus. So enter operator into the bracket. Operator into first term plus operator into second term. 1 by d square minus 1 x of sin 3x plus 1 by d square minus 1 cos x. Okay, now here this is type 5 model, this is type 2 model. After that, here the first term is yp equals to 1 by d square minus 1 of x sin 3x 1 by d square minus 1 of cos x. Okay, here there is some calculation for first term and second term. Using type 5 how to calculate result here. Using type 2 rule how to calculate. That's why give the names to each and every term. First term is yp1 plus second term is yp2. After that, here yp1 first to find yp1. yp1 is 1 by d square minus 1 x of sin 3x. This is similar to 1 by f of d xv form. Formula x minus f dash of d by f of d 1 by f of d q of x. Sorry, this is v. So that as per this, here v is sin 3x. So yp1 equals to x minus f dash of d, here 2d by d square minus 1. 1 by f of d, 1 by d square minus 1. V is sin 3x. Okay, that equal to, outside of the bracket, this is purely type 2 rule, sin ax. Now for type 2 rule, d square equal to minus a square. Here a is 3, minus 3 square, that is minus 9. So that x minus 2d by d square minus 1. As per type 2 rule, in place of d square you have to write minus 9 minus 1 sin 3x. As per type 2 rule. Now here x minus 2d by d square minus 1 minus 1 by 10 sin 3x. Here 1 minus 1 by 10 is a purely constant. Take it outside. Now x minus 2d by d square minus 1. Remaining function is sin 3x. Now enter sin 3x into the bracket. X sin 3x minus 2d of sin 3x by d square minus 1. yp1 equals to minus 1 by 10. Here no any operator, write it as it is. Here 2 into d of sin 3x. d of sin 3x is nothing but differentiation of sin 3x. d by dx of sin 3x. d by dx of sin 3x is 3 cos 3x. So that in place of d sin 3x, what we can write? 3 cos 3x by d square minus 1. Okay, in numerator there is no operator. Okay, still there is a operator in denominator. So that one more step, minus 1 by 10 x into sin 3x 6 into 1 by d square minus 1 of cos 3x. Again here it is a type 2 model. This part only, type 2 model is nothing but cos ax model. Q of x equal to cos ax, then d square equal to minus a square. D square equal to minus a square is here also a is same, minus 9. So that yp1 equal to minus 1 by 10 x sin 3x minus 6 into 1 by minus 9 minus 9 minus 1 cos 3x. Now then there is no any operator. Now simplification only, minus 1 by 10 x into sin 3x minus to minus plus 6 by 10 cos 3x. This is yp1. Similarly yp2, to find yp2. yp2 is 1 by d square minus 1 cos x. This is very simple type 2 model. D square equal to minus a square. Here minus a is minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is minus 1 square for 1 only. So that 1 by minus 1 cos x. Totally yp2 is cos x by minus 2. Now we can write complete solution or yp first. Therefore equation 1 implies yp equal to yp1 plus yp2. yp1 result is, this is yp1, this is yp2, minus 1 by 10 x sin 3x, 6 by 10 cos 3x minus cos 6 by 2. Okay, now complete solution of the given equation is y equal to yc plus yp. yc equals to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x plus yp. Just now we cleared here, minus 1 by 10 x sin 3x plus 6 by 10 cos 3x plus minus cos x by 2. This is the complete solution of given equation. Next question is solve d square plus 1 of o square of y equal to 0. Just on right side there is a 0, it has only one solution yc. So that first compare given equation with the standard form. D square plus 1 of 1 whole square of y equal to 0. This is similar to f of d of y equal to 0. Here f of d equals to d square plus 1 whole square. So auxiliary equation first. F of m equal to 0. M square plus 1 whole square equal to 0. There is a power 2, so product of two factors of same. Okay, here m square plus 1 equal to 0. Second factor, m square plus 1 equal to 0. From this m square equal to minus 1, m square equal to minus 1 can be written as I square, m equal to plus or minus I. Here also same, minus 1, this is I square, m equal to plus or minus I. So total number of roots are plus or minus I, plus or minus I. Complex roots repeated twice. Here same complex number repeated twice. In this case, how many roots are here? 4 roots. With the positive 2 roots, with the negative 2 roots, total number of roots 4. 2, so we have to choose 4 constants. yc equal to, in both the complex numbers, real part is 0. It is written as e power 0x, real part over. Next, imaginary part. Imaginary part for repeated c1 plus xc2, combination of constants. Cos imaginary part into x. 1 is imaginary part plus, next continuation constants c3 plus xc4, sin imaginary part into x. This is a way of writing for repeated complex roots. yc, this is 1, c1 plus xc2 cos x plus c3 plus xc4 sin x. This is the solution of given equation.